Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small and mid-cap space at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investments. Friday, November the 6th. 3 pretty good press releases for you. China, resources, and the U.S. Nice diversity. Let's start you off first with China. You know we love Chinese companies. Great find here. General Steel Holdings trades on the NYSE under GSI. This is one of China's leading non-state-owned producers of steel. They put out their financial results for the third quarter ended September 2009. Love these numbers. Here's some of the highlights. First, ship volume increased 67.2% to a record over 1 million metric tons, just over 1 million metric tons. Revenue up 17.8% to $484 million. Here's a number I really love. Gross margin was 8.2%. Compare that to 5.5% in the previous quarter, so that's sequential, or 1.5% in the third quarter of 2008 when things were really bad. This company's margins are skyrocketing right now. Income from operations, just over $29 million bucks, and here's the big number, net income, $10.4 million. That equates into about 22 cents per share, fully diluted. If they can continue this number, let's extrapolate for a second and assume they can continue this number, you're talking about a company that's on pace for about 90 cents per share in earnings. Why is that important? The company closed yesterday at $3.92. So you've got a company trading at about 4.5 times earnings if they can move this number. And listen to this, the company as September 30th had $252 million in cash and restricted cash. $252 million. I don't have the total number of shares outstanding for the company, but that's got to be a big number, which actually only improves the PE valuation. Go take a look at General Steel. Good news for them. Next up, Freewest Resources trades on the Venture Exchange under FWR. This is an AGORACOM client. As always, we don't talk about AGORACOM clients unless the news stands on its own 2 feet. Got to disclose that. But this company today put out an update on exploration activities. It's on their 100% owned McFaulds property in Northern Ontario. Everyone knows one of the best area plays to come out of the resources space over the last couple of years. Really important highlights here. First, the company delineates potential, drilling delineates potential mineral deposit at Black Thor range from 50 to 60 million tons in size with a grade between 31% to 38% chromium oxide. Big number there. Black Thor, the company says, has the potential to host between 278 and 406,000 ounces of platinum, as well as 260,000 and 381,000 ounces of palladium. And platinum, if you don't know it, has actually outpaced gold this year. So that's a good number coming out of Freewest. Finally, the company says to date, they've completed just under 23,000 meters of diamond drilling. That comprises 67 holes on Black Thor. They've tested Black Thor over strike length of 2,600 meters to a maximum depth of 400 vertical meters with an average drill test depth of about 300 meters. Extensive drilling. That's what you get out of that. And here's the strong point. They're saying that Black Thor remains completely open-ended, along strike, and to depth, as the limits of the chromite mineralization have yet to be defined. Nice update out of Freewest. Closed yesterday at 48.5 cents. That is the AGORACOM client, FWR, the TSX Venture Exchange. And finally, press release, kind of a bit of a strange press release. Sounds big, but gotta caveat it. VLYF Composite trades on the OTC under VLYF. Very short press release, not a lot of details here. They say they've received an additional order of $2.7 million. This is for their Momentum wheel line, and that brings total orders this year to more than $9.5 million. But we don't know anything more than that, who the customers are, who's bringing it in. So typically, I'd be very hesitant of this kind of press release. I'm still a little bit hesitant of this press release, but it's what they're producing that makes me pause and think maybe there is something to this company here. They're saying that they developed next-generation detection technology. Specifically, the Thor VLX system is designed to detect nuclear material, explosives, and contraband hidden in cargo containers and baggage, even through shielding. So sounds pretty high-tech. Can't really make a press release like that because you don't have a lot of customers buying that product. If they said they sold widgets, then we could say maybe the numbers are fluff, maybe even being fabricated. But not a lot of customer base for something like that, so you can't really make that up. Go do your own due diligence. Take a look at the filings. Take a look at everything. The company closed yesterday at 50 cents. That's a wrap, as always. If you're looking for more great small cap information, small and mid cap news, get yourself to the front page of agoracom.com, where you're going to do 3 things. Watch this daily show, take out the best press release of the week that we've put up, and we separated by industry. And finally, get into the marketplace. A lot of great companies there listed by industry and exchange with real succinct descriptions, so you can quickly find the one that best suits your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.